Adding the couple in the photo, not only your photo in that, and make them famous tonight as they start their day of love. If I would ask, what is love? Anybody can answer, what is love? Love, yes. What is love? Love is roaming in the park together. Love is eating dinner together. Love is looking a movie together. But tonight, if there is one definition of love, it is. Let's everybody, it is Michelle and... A little bit louder, come on, it's Michelle and Gifford. So there's just one definition of love tonight, and as they celebrate their day of love, and as you can see a beautiful family standing in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you give the loudest round of applause for this fantastic family standing in front of us. Everybody, hit it out. Yes, we have very decent boys and girls out here. Nobody whistled for any girl out here or for any boy. So we have a good crowd out here, ladies and gentlemen. And let's not waste any more time. I request the couple to kindly catch hold of the knife. I don't know why it happens. The boy runs and catches the knife, forgetting this is the last day, that he's going to have the upper hand, and he has taken the ownership of the kitchen from tomorrow. So we have a new chef in the house. All the girls, a round of applause for the bride. And we did a lot of clapping. Now it's time for a reverse countdown. Can I request everybody to give a reverse countdown as the couple cuts the cake and celebrates their day of love. Everybody with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly do not go back. Please, I request everybody to kindly come back because now it's that part of the evening where Gifford is also